Hello viewers, a very quick update on my Mastering Python for Trading e-course. In case you've missed it, I've just added something new to Mastering Python for Trading. I've added a brand new section 5 and I've called it Bonus Python. Inside the course content you can see all the detailed modules in there right at the bottom. Section 5, Bonus Python. If you click on the Bonus Python you'll be able to watch the video, read about the content and see what I have added. It's called Section 5 Bonus Python. Now the reason for this is simple. I do not want this course to feel like a static product that gets launched once and then just sits there collecting dust. I want it to be a course that can evolve with you. So whenever I build useful Python tools, extra scripts, scanners, ideas, practical examples or helpful resources outside the course structured lessons, whether that's from YouTube builds, independent projects or real world work, the best of that material can now be added into this new Bonus Python section. That means the course is no longer just a fixed set of modules. It becomes a more dynamic, growing resource that stays useful as your skills improve. I'll also be using this section for extra builds, tips, FAQs, troubleshooting and useful add-ons that can help you get more value from the course over time. And you'll find new code which you can access through GitHub. For example, we've already got Renko chart, build and indicator engine, a multi-market scanner, Monte Carlo for backtesting and seasonality, heat map for futures. And you can see there the FAQs and the other documentations, tips and extras. It's all going in there. So this is a very practical update and in my view it makes the course even stronger. And there's other good news as well, a good sign already. We've only been live for just over a week or so and we've just had our first 5-star review. So down at the bottom of the course sales landing page you'll find the reviews and we got one here from Colin, a verified buyer, 5 stars, well structured for beginner coders, and that it gives people the skills they need for deeper research and modeling their trading ideas. And that is exactly what this course is designed to do. So if you've been thinking about getting in, this is a very good time. Mastering Python for Trading is currently £99. That's the Go Live special offer and it only lasts until the 9th of March when it reverts back to £299. So if you want to get access, now is the time, and the link to get your hands on the course all in the description below this video.